Hello and good morning, house. In our today's discussion, we are going to continue from where we stopped last time. In our previous lecture, we discussed the plant source of drugs. Today, we are going to see the animal source of drugs. Indeed, several drugs are obtained from the animal origin, from different animals, from different parts of these animals. Some of these classical drugs that are obtained from the animal origin, we have our own insulin and its brother glucagon. These two drugs are actually obtained from cows and pigs from the islet of Langerhans present in the pancreas of these animals. Insulin, which is mainly used in managing type 1 diabetes mellitus, is actually obtained from the beta cells of these islet of Langerhans of these animals, while glucagon, which is mainly used in managing hypoglycemia, a reverse of this insulin, is actually obtained from the alpha cells of islet of Langerhans of these animals. Another two drugs we have estrogen, these great hormones, estrogen and progesterone. These two drugs are actually obtained from the urine of horses, and estrogen and progesterone are mainly used in hormone replacement therapy as well as in contraception. But the estrogen that is obtained from the horses is actually an unconjugated estrogen. This unconjugated estrogen is the one that is commonly in use for clinical purposes. But there is another estrogen that is conjugated, and this conjugated estrogen is mainly obtained from the fish, and this conjugated estrogen is the one that is mainly used to manage menopausal symptoms. Then another drug that is obtained from the animal origin is thyroxine, or thyroid hormone. It's actually obtained from the sheep thyroid, which is present around the neck, and we use thyroxine to manage hypothyroidism. Another drug that is obtained from the animal origin is adrenaline. Adrenaline is an emergency drug that is mainly used for cardiac resuscitation, and this adrenaline is actually obtained from the cows as well. Another two drugs, we have omega-3 and vitamin D. These two drugs, omega-3, which is mainly used as cardiovascular system supplement, while vitamin D is mainly used to prevent rickets in children or to enhance calcium absorption. The two drugs are actually obtained from marine fish, from the fish. Then another drug that is obtained from animal origin is melittin. Melittin, which is a potent anti-inflammatory drug, is actually obtained from the honeybees. Another drug is cantharidin, which is obtained from the blister beetles. Cantharidin, actually, these blister beetles, they are small insects that secrete this cantharidin as a toxic substance. Then later it was found that this cantharidin has several clinical indications. It is now mainly used to manage skin conditions, and recently studies have shown that this cantharidin can serve as a potent anti-cancer drug to manage skin cancers. Another drug is the mighty captopril. Captopril is actually the prototype of ACE inhibitors class of antihypertensive drugs. This captopril is actually obtained from the snake venom. So what have we learned so far? We have learned that several drugs can be obtained from different animals, be it the mammals like the cows and the sheep, be it the reptiles like the snake, be it the insects like the honeybees and blister beetles, be it the marine animals like the fish. So this is what we have for today. Thank you so much for listening. See you next time. Bye bye.